Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Greenlane Holdings INC. And although the stock has been falling from the highs of 8.82, we are going to discuss the opportunity which is currently evolving. So let's discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. So let's quickly go and see what different things we have here as far as the data or news are concerned. Now, a 12% price change in the last trading session, but the stock is way down from its 52-week high, which is more than 88%. And there are some short ratios, as you can see, 2.18%. And if you're looking at the data points, fundamental data points, they are quietly on the negative. What is on the positive side is the valuation. Now, one more thing, the Greenlane Holdings INC, the ticker symbol is GNLN. Now, this is from healthcare or pharmaceutical retailers. Now, the negative aspect of this healthcare and biotech companies are these. They are quite sensitive, or I would say extremely sensitive to news. A positive news can push the price 200-300% higher, and a negative news can destroy the stock by more than 50-60-80%. So it is quite normal as far as the US market and more specifically the healthcare and biotech companies are concerned. Depending, obviously, this will vary from case to case or depend upon how strong the brand is. But yes, it is quite visible. Now, looking at the chart as well as the numbers, so this is the news which we have here, that this company today announced that it received an approval from the United States Post Service for a business and regulatory exceptions, and allowing Greenlane to ship vaporizers and accessories classified as electronic nicotine delivery systems. Now, they have get an approval, and probably, I mean, in normal time the stock may not probably not move very high or very low, but because the stock has different things to deal with, we will see some sort of green shoot as of now. But whether it turns into a big move, that we have to discuss. Now, apart from that, if you are looking at the insider trading section, you can see the entire calendar year 2021, it's been huge amount of selling from the insiders, and because of that it creates an additional pressure, because market also take these things very seriously. And if the insiders trading these shares with frequent numbers, I mean on monthly basis, then it will create an additional volatility as far as the stock is concerned. Now, the stock has to deal with both the things, the market forces as well as the insiders. But the way the stock is trading right now, as you can see, it is holding, or it is respecting its previous support which it has seen in the year 2020 March. Okay, so the levels which we are looking here are $1, which is your immediate support, and 0.91, which is your stop loss. So this is very close to each other, and I would say this is something which you need to focus on in a very strict manner. So what you can do over here is do not go below 90 cents. Okay, so do not go below 90 cents, and if the stock continues to sustain above 1.03, the first range that we're going to look at, let me show it to you. So the first range that we're going to look at is in between 1.83 and you have a 2.22. So these are your two primary targets that we're going to look at, above which you have your next. So above 2.2223, the next range we have here is in between 4.26 and 4.27. But what we have seen in the past is a big swing which put the stock or which pushed the stocks towards 8.77, and that we are probably expecting here again. Okay, but this time we have to go through different segments, and we need not to directly think about 8.77. We just need to think about, or if you're looking at this chart right now, $1 will be a lower level and 2.22 will be the target. Beyond 2.22 you have 4.2 and 4.4, and then the big range. That's what you are going to do as far as the big chart or the trend is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.